Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are good. So welcome back my YouTube channel. So previous video I have done how to create the web services. So for this video is basically use and basically I'm showing you how to use the web services using Workbench and how to test it. Okay, so let me open my Salesforce or so just like this is my Salesforce or let me open my developer console. This is my developer console, and after open this web services I have created previously demo account, and this is a URL mapping, and this is the get http get verb. Okay, so just this video basically I am showing you just how to access this web services using Workbench. So let me open my Workbench first. So just write URL like Workbench and accept term and condition, login with Salesforce. Okay, after login you can see different types of options in Workbench. Okay, like info, queries, data, migration and utilities. Under utilities you can see this REST Explorer. So we have to need to click this REST Explorer. Click this REST Explorer, and here you can see different types of methods like get, post, put, patch and delete and head. Okay, so there are so many http methods, and we can say that this is http get, post, put, patch, delete. Okay, so how can check my web services is working fine or not? Okay, so let me change this URL. By default is selected like service data version 49.0, version 49.0. This is the API version, and when you execute this URL, so by default it's showing different types of tooling, metadata folders, and there are so many tabs like it's related to the org informations and all the data. Okay, so let me change this URL first. After services, I have to need to write apex rest to check the web services, then forward slash, and write your URL mapping name like this my accounts. So copy this my accounts and paste it and hit the execute button, and you can see the records related to this web service. Here you can see there are so many records. Okay, like Jenny points, F4s, and some custom records I have created previously. Okay, so this is the result, and how to identify this is web services is successfully run or not. So this is the record first of all, and here you can see this show row response. When you clicking this show row response, here you can see the HTTP response like this 200 OK. So 200 OK means this request is successfully. Okay, so just check out this result is coming or not. So here you can see this is the JSON format. This one, this is the JSON format. Okay, so let me copy this JSON format and paste it in my online browser JSON viewer online. Okay, when you click this one, here you can see one editor like just a second. When you paste it here, and when you want to check this JSON format is valid or not, and how to check all the data is perfectly or not, so just click this viewer, and here you can see the old data 0 to 17 means 18 records is coming. When you expand this, you can see one by one record manually like this one. So it's a record information. Okay, so guys, if you like this content, so let me know the good thumbs up, and let me know the please subscribe.